Strider Nature Trail is intended for little kids 2 to 5 years old who have Strider no-pedal balance bikes. This nature trail offers a great way to repurpose an unused portion of a local park. We invested about 20 man-hours on the trail itself and another 10 hours on the sign and park bench installation. In total, we had about 30 man-hours and less than $1,000 invested in this new city park feature that received prime-time news coverage on 2 TV stations. When you consider the return on investment for a trail that will serve our community for years to come, this was a huge success. The Strider Nature Trail is a perfect way to inspire little kids to want to get outside, ride their bikes, and explore the world.